Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel, Adiatu here, Naturallyads on YouTube. So welcome to my first pre-planning video in my Tilly Journals functional Flexi planner. I believe I said it right. Let's check. Yeah, functional Flexi planner. This is the B6 weekly with a monthly. I am going to be pre-planning in this planner. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel down below and turn on the bell to be notified every single time I upload. Make sure you head to my Instagram PlanWithAds to always see my base pictures in more detail. So basically, my plan for this planner is to mostly use leftovers and then some mini kits here and there, but majority of the boxes and stuff are leftovers. And if I get a kit, I try to just get the washi and the full boxes, and then some boxes if I can. But yeah, the kit that I am using today is just pure leftovers from Sweet Choir Design, some freebie full boxes from Pink Diamond Planet, from Paper Chic Plans, and the check boxes are from Simply a Mess. The header, the bottom washi is also from Paper Chic Plans, and the date covers are from SPC, but they happen to be a bit too wide, which I'm not sure why, because they were made for Erin Condren, but I had to cut them down. But yeah, basically for these videos, for now, until I can do them talk through, I'm just going to let you guys watch me lay down my base to music. And yeah, so basically the point of this planner is to do all things content. So for me to plan my YouTube and my uploads and my PR posts and my Instagram posts and my Facebook promo and all of that stuff. So I am using this very functionally, so I am pre-planning in advance. So as of right now, all of January spreads are laid down so that I can just come in daily and kind of put down a to-do list and write down what posts I want to post on each day. And I'm aiming to use like foiled icons in this planner, since I don't really use them in my actual planner because I use the character stickers. So I'm trying to use foiled icons in this planner and a lot of foil things that I don't really use in my actual planner, and the checklist, since I don't use them in my planner. The 2 habit trackers that I use each week are for tracking my Instagram posts and my YouTube posts, so to tick if I've done it each day. And yeah, so I'm gonna let you guys carry on watching this video. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Comment down below what you thought of this planner. So once again, it's from Tilly Journals. If you have any shop suggestions that have like mini kits or B6 kits that would suit my needs, because I don't need too much, let me know down below. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.